Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back and good morning. This is Marybeth Angelelli. So excited to be here. Once again, we are in the back office of my Cliqly, and I'm going to be showing you in this short video today how easy it is to use these CPA offers and send out your emails and earn even more. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the good stuff. This is the back office. And you can access your live trainings right up here. So let me just show you what this looks like. This is the very first link. When you join and become a paid member, you'll be able to take advantage of this. Now we have some recent trainings right here that Bobby did. This one right here on the 28th of September. It was an update call. It was recorded. These are hosted live every single Monday, 12 o'clock noon Eastern. If you're not able to make it, they're uploaded right here and you can watch them any time of the day or night at your leisure. Okay? So here's one right here that you can plug into. And here's a second one right here, our most recent one from this past Monday, the 2nd of October. Okay, and here's different recommended offer numbers that are pulling, okay, that you can use to send out your emails for your CPA offers. Okay, those are the suggested ones. Now, of course, there's no guarantees, but the main thing is to be showing up every single day, coming in here, doing your thing, and being consistent. So how easy is this to do? Well, you just go right into your Cliqly Pro right here where you can send up to 1 million emails a day, depending on the tier level that you're at. So you just come on right down here. This is how simple and quick this is, okay? And you click here to send your email, all right? Now you go to your openers list. You specify how many you want to send out. You can either do like 5,000 or 10,000, whatever you would like. Let's just go with 10,000 for this send, okay? And then we'll hit go to the next step. All righty. Let me just take a moment to load. Okay, there we go. And now you can pick from one of the pre-written creative emails, okay? And there's a lot to pick and choose from. So you never have to worry about writing ad copy or any of that good stuff. This is all taken care of for you and done for you. This is a really simple system. I mean, if you can, point, click, and insert a link and push the send button, folks, you can do this. Anybody can do this. So let's go and let's try to find one that I think would pique a lot of people's interest. Okay, easiest way to earn online, okay? Because everybody loves easy, and people within this particular list and niche are looking for a solution, something that can help them to earn online, okay? So this would appeal, I think, to a lot of people. So let's go ahead and select this as our email to send. And then all we do is we go to the drop down right here. And since we're not going to be sending our Cliqly offer, we're going to do enter new link to send the links to. And we are going to paste in the link to our CPA offer that we selected from amongst the many different CPA offers. So we plug that in right there. And then all we have to do is enter our first name. And then see, it's going to go out today within this particular time period. We can adjust this if we want to. Maybe I'll just bump it up a little bit. And then all we have to do, the last and final step, folks, send this email to my list. And click to confirm. Okay. And there you go, folks. It's off in the queue and it will be sent within that designated time frame. That's how easy this is to do, folks. Anybody can do this. Now we have 3 different ways of earning. We have the click side of the business where you come in and you do your list building email send outs daily in combination with your Cliqly Pro email send outs daily. And this is where you can change it up and take advantage of the CPA offers to earn more than the cost per click. So you have cost per click. You have cost per action, CPA. So if somebody who receives that email decides to make a purchase and takes out their credit card and makes the purchase, I will make a higher amount on the sale, okay? Because these pay anywhere from perhaps, $60 to $75 to $80 on average cost per action, CPA, okay? Whereas the list building credits, okay, these pay 10 cents a click if somebody opens up the email and clicks. Now, the other way to make money is on the affiliate side, to share this as an affiliate, earning you 100% commissions of $97 every time you get a sign up. So I recommend going with all three methods, staying consistent, and you can receive some very nice, you have the potential to receive some very nice weekly commission paychecks, okay? Now, to get all the details, learn more about this, my website link will be below. And inside my funnel, you can see what is possible. Now, disclaimer, I can't make any claims, of course, guarantees or promises to you. Individual results are going to vary. They're going to be dependent upon your marketing efforts. Name of the game, folks, is showing up every single day, coming in here, doing your thing, sending out your emails, and taking advantage of the three different ways that you can earn weekly commission checks with Cliqly. Cost per click, and that would again be by sending emails, a combination of your list building emails daily, along with your Cliqly Pro emails daily, and then taking advantage of the CPA offers, okay, that vary in pay rate based on the offer, okay, and of course somebody purchasing. And then you can get the word out there through many different ways, folks. Social media marketing, lots of free methods, classified sites, solo ads. I have a great funnel that's been tested and proven to work. I've been part of this amazing Cliqly opportunity since April of this year, and very pleased to let you know, folks, that I have been generating weekly commissions every single week and getting paid weekly by Cliqly. So this absolutely works. If you work it, it's so super simple. Anybody can do this. I shared with you exactly how easy it is to do a CPA send, okay? So with that being said, folks, thank you so much for tuning in today. Go to my website. I do have some proof there, and like they say, proof is in the pudding, and documentation beats conversation. That's what I was able to do by taking massive action in my very first month back in April of this year, 2023, when I first got started. Okay, so you can see for yourself the possibilities that exist. And it's just been a wonderful opportunity and a true blessing for me and my family. And I want to just continue to share this with you because I know a lot of people now are looking for a simple solution, something that can help you to increase cash flow. And this truly can help you to do that, and so very much more. But you got to take action, got to get started. I recommend coming in and getting upgraded. It's only $97 to upgrade, and then you have lots of options, lots of possibilities inside of this platform. And I just recommend doing what you can. Don't overextend yourself. Only purchase packages going forth with what you can realistically afford, and just take this at your own pace. There's a wealth of training inside right here within the live trainings. They're Mondays, 12 o'clock noon Eastern Standard Time. If you're not able to make it, they're all uploaded, they're recorded for you to take advantage of. And I would highly recommend that's exactly what you do, folks, okay? Exactly what you do, because this is going to really help you and propel you forward to position you for the best results and much, much continued success with Cliqly, folks. This is the real deal. It absolutely works if you show up daily for the best results and work it. So there you go, folks. All these trainings this month, from last month, and then this month will be added to the training portal as the weekly training sessions proceed, okay? So with that being said, folks, simpledailyprofits.net. Head on over to simpledailyprofits.net. You may need to type that into your browser. The link will be below with my contact information, and I'd love nothing more than to see you on the inside of Cliqly very soon. You need to reach me. My contact information's there. Best of luck to you, and make it a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.